In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Topstep account to Ninjatrader. Start by opening your Ninjatrader desktop and go to the Control Center. Click on Connections and then Configure. In the configuration window, find Topstep for Ninjatrader brokerage and double-click it. Next, select your Topstep account from the configured menu and fill in the required properties on the right-hand side. If you don't see Configure in the drop-down, you may need to enable multi-provider mode. Go to the System drop-down menu, scroll to the bottom, and select it. Important note, if you're connecting only your Topstep account on Ninjatrader desktop, do not enable plug-in mode. But if you're bridging connections through RTrader Pro, connect there first with all plugins enabled, then connect Ninjatrader desktop with plug-in mode on. And that's it. Your Topstep account is now connected to Ninjatrader and ready to trade. Thanks for watching.